Good afternoon, dear student. Now today we are going to learn physiography and drainage, chapter number 3, geography. Okay. Now here is given India physical map. We will observe the map given in figure 3.1 and answer the following questions. Question number 1. In which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6000 meter lie in India? Okay. Now the region with an altitude of more than 6000 meter lies in north and northeast direction in India. Okay. Second, look for the south flowing river in the peninsular region. In which river basin does it lie? Pranhita is the south flowing river in the peninsular region. Okay. It lies in Godavari river basin. There will be given Godavari basin. Okay. In which direction is the slope of the region in the north shown in the dark green? The slope of the region in the north shown in dark green is in east direction. East direction, there will be given slope. Next, make a list of plateaus located in between Aravalli Ranges and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The list of plateaus located in between Aravalli Ranges and Chota Nagpur Plateau is as follows. First, Malwa Plateau, second, Marwar Plateau, third, Bundelkhand Plateau, and fourth, Bagelkhand Plateau. There will be given 4 plateaus are there. Okay. Now next question. Name the peaks shown in the Eastern Ghats. The peaks shown in the Eastern Ghats are as follows. First, Mahendragiri and second, Malaygiri. Okay. Now which mountains demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra river? The Eastern Himalayas mountains demarcates the deep plains of Brahmaputra river. Okay. Now which mountains demarcate? Is that clear? Okay. 7. Give the relative location of Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills. The location of the Nilgiri Hills is at the junction of Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. In which direction does the height of the Sahyadris Hill increase? So, the height of the Sahyadri Hills increase in the southern direction. Now, last question. The Vindhyas act as water divide between which two river basins? The height of the Sahyadri Hills increase in the southern direction. The Vindhyas acts as water divide between Narmada and Ganga river basins. Okay. Now move on the make friends with map Brazil. Now here is given Brazil's physical map. So in this lesson we have to study comparative study physiography and drainage affect the climate, natural vegetation and wildlife population distribution etc. of a nation. So this chapter is about a comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to physiography and drainage. Now what is the now here is given figure 3.2. Observe map of Brazil. What is the range of altitude of Amazon river basin? The range of altitude of Amazon river basin is between 0 meters and 200 meters. Between which two highlands is the Amazon river basin located? The Amazon river basin is located between the Guiana highlands and the Brazilian highlands. Observe the region with the altitude 500 to 1000 meters. Describe the locational extent of this region shown in yellow with reference to direction. Now here is observe the region with the altitude 500 to 1000 meters shown in yellow extend from northeast to southeast direction. What do the isolated regions shown in yellow indicate? The isolated regions shown in yellow indicate Brazilian highlands. So isolated means there will be no living population, that is called isolated regions. Beside the Amazon river basin, where else do you find regions with an altitude of less than 200 meters? Beside the Amazon river basin, we find regions with an altitude of less than 200 meters at Paraguay river basin and southern region of Pampas. Describe the plateau. Last one. Describe the plateau region with height of 200 to 500 meters through which tributaries of Amazon flow in your own words. The plateau region with height of 200 to 500 meters through which the tributaries of Amazon flow is located between Amazon river basin and Brazilian highlands. Xingu river and other tributaries of Amazon river flow from this region. Okay. Now observe both map India and Brazil, familiar with. Okay, and question and answer will be given. So next one